Hello everyone, this is Jane Chiu here from the fabulousbodymind.com. Today I have the pleasure to be standing beside Philip, who is the owner of One Med Pharmacy. So we are excited to announce our partnership of promoting H.E.A.L Club. So I have a bunting here. So what is H.E.A.L Club? H.E.A.L Club's aim is to promote healthy lifestyle, particularly for those who want to burn fat and also those who want to manage their type 2 diabetes. So Philip, could you tell us more about this collaboration and One Med's commitment to social responsibility?
Sure, absolutely can, Jane. So actually, One Med Pharmacy is very happy to team up with the Fabulous Body Minds to introduce this H.E.A.L Club. Okay, so with H.E.A.L Club actually will help the nature's way to reversing the diabetes, type 2 diabetes. So at One Med Pharmacy, we believe that with all these supporting initiative, we can help to contribute the health well-being of the community. Okay, so this partnership will allow us to take a step further in promoting holistic approach to the health.
Yeah, that is wonderful, Philip. I am so glad that One Med is joining the force to promote H.E.A.L Club and joining the force and the movement to help many Malaysians to reverse type 2 diabetes. As many of you know, type 2 diabetes is actually a lifestyle disease, and many has the opportunity to reverse their health condition by just doing lifestyle changes. So in our club here, by joining our club, our members actually will get to download this ebook called Fat to Fit, Not a Fat. And by learning the right way, the healthy and safe way to burn fat, many of the patients can actually reverse their condition. The joining fee is only 1990 ringgit. Yeah, sorry, 1990 cents only. And members are compensated with a 20 ringgit voucher from One Med Pharmacy. So what does it mean? It means by joining H.E.A.L Club, it is free of charge and you earn 10 cents. What a wonderful deal, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we actually provide valuable resources to those seeking natural ways to manage diabetes. So this Fat to Fit books is actually a guide for those like commitments to the wellness. So by offering these 20 ringgit vouchers from One Med Pharmacy, we aim to make it even more accessible for the individuals to steps towards a healthier lifestyle.
It is clear that One Med Pharmacy is dedicated to the community's well-being. Now, some may worry about promoting natural approach may conflict with the traditional medicine. So how does One Med strike a balance, ensuring that patients feel supported in their choice without compromising their medical treatments?
Okay, this is a very good question, Jane. So at One Med, we believe that there's an integrated approach to the health. So this H.E.A.L Club is not meant to replace the medical treatments. No, we normally, as a professional pharmacy, we don't ask the patient to just stop the medication and just continue with these e-books. These Fat to Fix things. So we encourage actually the individuals to work together with their healthcare provider and make informed decisions about their health journey. So our goal is to support every individual in achieving optimum health, and whether through the traditional way or the natural approach.
Fantastic, Philip. Before we wrap up, is there anything else you would like our audience to know about One Med Pharmacy and its commitment to social responsibility?
Sure, Jane. So absolutely. So at One Med, we consider ourselves more than just a pharmacy. We are a part of the community. So we are committed to being responsible healthcare partner, and initiative like this H.E.A.L Club. So will actually reflect our dedication to supporting our community health and life and well-being. We're very excited about this collaboration and the positive impact it can have.
Thank you, Philip. So for sharing your insight and One Med's commitment to community health. We look forward to the positive impact of H.E.A.L Club, and to our audience, be sure to check out our H.E.A.L Club and our ebook Fat to Fit. and take advantage of the 20 ringgit pharmacy voucher that One Med pharmacy is offering. So I hope to see you. Bye.
Bye.